Home Assistant 2026.3 is one of those releases that looks small, and then quietly fixes the exact things that annoy you every day. Today, your vacuum finally cleans areas like a civilized robot. The energy dashboard becomes more operational instead of just decorative. Automation stopped dying because of one device that sneezed, and your Android phone can act as a proper wake world satellite. This isn't flashy, this is structure. And if you build your home assistant or smart home instead of just installing it, this one matters. We'll be starting in a couple of seconds. This is not a wow release. There is no giant headline like Matter 2.0 or AI runs your house now, but if you watch my freezing protection video or HVAC logic video, you already know reliability beats features. Stable system is better than a clever one that breaks silently. 2026.3 is about removing friction, small structural improvements that reduce hidden instability. And if you ever chase the ghost bug at midnight because something used to work, you'll appreciate this. This is a build release. Quiet improvements that make your entire system less fragile. We now have vacuum.clean_area entity or service or action. Not vendor room IDs, not hard-coded segment numbers, actual home assisted areas. You map your vacuum's internal segments to home assistant areas. And here's the important part. If something changes, for example you rename a room inside the robot app, Home Assistant will automatically raise a repair issue instead of silently failing. That's a huge because silent breakage is the worst breakage. Now let's align our expectations. This currently works with Roborock, Ecovacs and Matter vacuums. If you're running older cloud-only integration, this won't magically upgrade them. But direction is clear. Areas are becoming the abstraction layer. We saw it in the dashboards, we saw it in the energy, now it's cleaning. Later, voice. When you say clean the kitchen, this structure is what makes it reliable instead of hopeful. The energy dashboard is now called electricity, which is correct, and honestly clearer and more accurate. The Now view supports cards for live power, gas flow and water flow, plus water gets proper Sankey visualization. Electricity, gas and water are now separated in settings and tooltips give better context. This moves dashboards from passive reporting to operational monitoring. If you've seen my Zender balcony solar setup, you know I care about real-time visibility, solar input, battery behavior and consumption shifts are not daily total problems. They are live system behavior problems. 2026.3 pushes that forward. Energy isn't just charts, it's a feedback. Before 2026.3, if one action in automation failed, the entire sequence stopped. One speaker offline, sequence is dead. One device unavailable, everything after that line skipped. Yes, YAML could handle it, but not everyone lives in YAML. Now there is a simple continue on error toggle inside the automation editor. Just go to any action, 3 dots and check this continue on error. You will see a new sign, and this changes reliability in the real world. Think about protection automations. If notification fails but pump cutoff works, I still want the cutoff. I don't want critical logic changed to optional services. This makes automations resilient instead of brittle, and brittle systems break in winter. Android companion app now supports on-device wake word detection, even when locked. It uses micro wake word, the same tech as the voice preview edition. Supported wake words include OK, Hey, and Hey. If multiple satellites hear you, the fastest response. That's distributed voice architecture. But let's be also realistic. Battery. If you leave constant audio detection running and then complain your phone drains faster, that's physics, not bug. So you can also automate it. Enable wake word when connected to home Wi-Fi. Disable it when leaving. That's builder logic. Power when needed, silence when not. This is powerful if you integrate it intentionally. There is a pattern here. Vacuum areas give structured abstraction. Electricity live view gives operational awareness. Continue on error gives resilience. Wake word control gives distributed edge intelligence. This is Home Assistant moving from smart home dashboard to structured automation platform. And that's a big deal, not because it's loud, but because it's foundational. This video is recorded on beta. Don't update production before guests arrive and then blame the core team. Test, snapshot, roll forward deliberately. I've made that mistake. Everyone has. Builder mindset means controlled upgrades, not emotional ones. Stability is part of the design. This release affects more than it seems. Vacuum areas tie directly into voice. Continued error changes how I structure seasonal protection automations. Electricity live data makes solar optimization more meaningful. Wake words control shifts how room level assistance will scale. This is groundwork, and groundwork is what makes the rest possible. So what in 2026.3 actually changes your smart home? Not one giant feature, but several friction points removed. Fewer silent failures, better structured device control, more resilient automations, clearer electricity monitoring, smarter distributed voice. This is not a hype, it's maturation, and honestly, I'll take that every time. I really hope that you did enjoy this video, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like and also check if you are subscribed. And before I end up the video, as always, I want to say thanks to all those wonderful people that are supporting me and that have become YouTube channel members. Thank you all for all of your support. But let's not forget each and every one of you who has watched, shared, liked or commented on my videos. Thank you. If you too want to support the channel, you can do so by clicking the join button down below and becoming a YouTube channel member for only €2 or $2 per month. Or you can go to my merchandise store and grab some merch there. Last but not least, you can always send me super thanks and I will be super thankful for that. I will be seeing you next time. Until then, bye bye and have fun.